This week in artificial intelligence. News, advances and business. Amazon launches ML-powered maintenance tool Lookout for equipment in general availability. Amazon today announced the general availability of Lookout for equipment, a service that uses machine learning to help customers perform maintenance on equipment in their facilities. Shedding light on fairness in AI with a new data set. Facebook AI has built and open-sourced a new, unique data set called Casual Conversations, consisting of 45,186 videos of participants having non-scripted conversations. AI in education, augmenting teachers, scaling workplace training. The Hairspring Conference examines how AI advancements in education can superpower teachers and rethink outdated and bad instruction. Feeds AI bags $200 million at unicorn valuation for its AI fraud detection platform. Feeds AI incorporated a fraud detection startup with a client roster that includes 80% of the Fortune 500, has landed a $200 million round of funding led by investment firm KKR. The round was announced this morning. Companies are racing to bring AI to the masses with no-code software. Primer, the San Francisco AI company, is the latest to launch a no-code software system that lets non-experts create and train AI algorithms. Snorkel AI launches Application Studio, the fastest way to develop AI applications, and raises $35 million in growth funding led by Lightspeed Venture Partners. Snorkel AI, the company accelerating enterprise AI application development and deployment through programmatic data labeling, today announced Application Studio, a visual builder with templated solutions for common AI use cases based on best practices from hundreds of deployments and research at top academic institutions over the last 6 years. AI-powered nanosensors to track different biological molecules. Using metasurfaces, infrared light and artificial intelligence, EPFL scientists have come up with AI-powered nanosensors that can observe all major biomolecule classes of the nano world without disturbing them. AI helps zap mosquito larvae before they become a problem. An Israeli startup with a unique solution for combating malaria is one of 3 finalists for the IBM Watson AIX Prize. Leading American researcher and 350 million Danish kroner will take Danish artificial intelligence research to new heights. A new pioneer center for artificial intelligence research will be opening in Copenhagen at the end of 2021. News, concerns and hype. Government audit of AI with ties to white supremacy finds no AI, in a surprise twist. An audit and report released last week found no bias in Banjo's algorithm because there was no algorithm to assess in the first place. An artificial intelligence made a diss against the patriarchy with Eminem and Kanye West's voice. Recently, the 30Hz channel made a new version of Eminem's My Name Is with the help of artificial intelligence. It was a version that would be like if the Detroit rapper wrote it in 2021. New Nirvana song created 27 years after Kurt Cobain's death via AI software, Drowned in the Sun, is accurate enough to give you that Nirvana vibe, but not so accurate to where someone's going to get a cease and desist letter, Hogan claimed. If you look at the last quote-unquote Nirvana release, which was You Know You're Right, this has the same type of vibe. That's all for this week. If you are not subscribed and liked this, feel free to subscribe.